When we go to deploy decoys, the easiest way to do it is per subnet, and for each subnet to deploy the right decoys that match your that subnet. So if we go to one of the subnets and decide to create additional decoys, we can choose out of 3 modes. One is auto-generation of the decoy content. That's usually the easiest way to configure decoys. What this does is it builds the decoys based on how your network looks. So if you have more Linux devices on your network, there'll be more Linux decoys. If you have more Windows or more IoT devices, the decoys will match those. If you want to create your own custom decoy, you create custom decoy content. This will be an emulation-based decoy. You basically specify exactly what you want to emulate. You can choose say a web server decoy with a specific operating system, or you can choose an IoT device where we choose a specific printer with a specific version. And this will choose, in this example, we created an HP printer decoy. We can also decide if we don't want emulation-based decoys, we can create a real OS-based decoy. Real OS is basically based on a real operating system image to bring up a decoy. This could be either an image that comes out of the box, either Windows or Linux-based, or it could be your own image that you uploaded as a golden image that you can upload here. Once we choose the type of decoy that we want, we create the decoy. We have an additional asset in the network that will be waiting for connections. In order to then configure the decoy a bit more, what we can do is go to the decoys page, and then we can go into the services. We'll go into one of the decoys here, and we'll go into the services, and we can add additional services. We can change the ports on services. If we choose a web server, for example, we could then choose the type of web server. It could be one of the web servers that we come out of the box with, or you can upload your own web page content for your own web server. You can choose the port that it'll be open on. If it's a file-based system, an FTP or shared folders, you can also create, you can configure the shared folders, and you can also even upload your own file system to even make it look more real.